Hi everyone, my name is Ivana Rios. I am a consultant for Business Central for SSG Strategic Systems. Today, I would like to share how we can use the purchase code as a requisition for purchases. Okay, so we are going to have a purchase code, and we can create some process to approve the purchase code, and then convert quote to a purchase order. So the first thing that we have to do is just the user that we create this document. We go to the purchase code, okay, create a new one. Something that we must have to do here is just to select the vendor. Okay, we are going to work with this vendor. Then we are going to select our service. I have my service here, so I'm expecting to select the expense that I hope that someone approve the expense. So here, for example, I will say that I will need some advertising services. So I will click here, I will select it. Okay. The quantity, I will put this amount. And something that is really important here is just to assign the dimensions. The dimension will help us to identify our brand, project, location, and department. So, for example, I will select here the Health Net for COVID-19, location code Magnolia Place. Okay, so right now I'm creating this purchase code to expect the approve for this amount with this dimension that will allow us then if we create a purchase order to know which project, which grant, and location we are going to charge. After this, we have to request to approve. Okay. So when we do this step, approval request will be sent to the person in charge to approve all the purchases on the company. Once it's approval, we are going to be able to create an order until the moment. If we don't have the proof from the person in charge of the company, we are not able to create this into a purchase order. So clicking here, I will click here. So now we are going to create a purchase order. But it's important, this last step is not possible to do it without if we don't have the approval done. Okay, so here we have our service for advertising, and also we have here the grant code, project, and location. Okay, other important things about the purchase code, I will create order, is that in one purchase code we can mix some grants, some projects. Okay, so I'm going to select my vendor again, my service that I want to ask the approval if it's possible to make a purchase. Okay. So something that we are able to create, for example, I will select again my advertising expense. Okay. Also quantity 1. So here I will go to select HealthNet, project code COVID-19, and this goes for Magnolia Place. The second one could be the same expense, quantity, $500, but we are going to play with something here, HealthNet, COVID-19, but instead to select Magnolia Place, we are going to select Compton. Okay. So here we have it. Once again, we press approve, and once it's approved, we are able to create our order. So when we create an order, all the information that we have here in the quote will be placed on this document. So it doesn't mean that I have to do something, that I have to create an extra document. No, it's just from the purchase order that we are going to have all the information under my document. So it's important to understand that we have actually in BC the option to put a workflow for approval, that if this purchase quote we want to approve and create a purchase order, is possible also to approve that purchase code and turn it into a purchase order also is possible. So thank you. This is about purchase code, how we can use it as a requisition for purchases into BC. Thanks.